I just tweezed my brows and cut them. I went a little thinner this time. Yeah, I haven't done my brows in a long time. They were looking really thick and I liked them, but I needed to like change up my look. And the easiest way to change up your look is messing with your eyebrows.
He was kneeling down, bleeding, and the game asked me, sorry guys, my kid's good, all right, I'm not cursing at him, I'm emphasizing the story.
There's music in there. There's gotta be music.
Or let him go and walk away.
That's what it said.
What would you choose? I'm gonna go on to like, this can't be the end of the game. Dude, the credits are going and I'm sitting there like, I spent a great amount of money. There's no way, as hard as this game is, if the game's over already. So I hit X just to see what would happen, because the credits were taking forever. It ends the credits and it goes back to the game.
Like it restarts all over?
Dude, I'm getting the chills. I zoomed out, right? I clicked on the map just to look. Dude, what I beat is like this part of like this.
What?
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna be playing that game the rest of the year. That's how long the game is. Like, I'll show you guys. And then when I beat him, a bunch of new locations.
It's long.
Where you get your money's worth. The game is difficult. And then all these new locations popped up because I killed this leader, but the rest of the army is still like invading the country. So I have to go to all these little places and beat all the leaders that are remaining.
Just as bad as
I am going to Ulta. I'm on the hunt for a new foundation. Yeah, we'll see how this goes.
I'd rather be with Most beautiful, closest friend. I just wanna wait.
Unfortunately isn't on Final Cut Pro yet. It is called Cinematch. It's coming soon. It's available on Premiere and Resolve right now. But there are lists for all the different camera manufacturers. I don't really like the Canon ones or the Sony ones because let's say you're shooting. And first we look at the highlights. Honestly, you can do this by feel and just start like moving these in a circle and you can see what happens over there. See those waveforms moving around? I'm basically just gonna keep moving them, and once they're all in a line,
out in the cold, and there you were. I wasn't sure.
How you feel mostly takes the body everywhere you go. So how you feel in your body is a big part of your awareness. And we said, you have to separate the emotion from what you are calling the manifestation of your body. Now, let's change it right now. The manifestation of your physical condition will be coming along afterward. But we explained to her that if she is really keeping it going, if they're observing unwanted things, then they're offering a vibration of resistance. And to the degree that they are offering a vibration of resistance, too bright in here. Let me find the switch. Certainly there must be a switch that floods darkness in to cover up the light. You don't do that, do you? You look, if you've looked, you've never found it. Inky, misty darkness just comes in and covers up. It's not like that, is it? And the same is true. There is not a source of evil. There's just disallowing what you call good. There's not a source of sickness. There's just pinching off the stream of wellness. That's all it ever is, you see. So when you remember that you are a vibrational being and you recall or remember that your indication
so casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet.